You guys have kids in the house?
Yes.
Okay, do you mind if we come in and just take a look, make sure everybody's safe and everything's okay?
Okay, what kind of call did you get?
Well, we got a call that there was a young female walking around saying that she came from a house over here. And we were able to find out that this was a house, and we just wanted to check and make sure everybody was okay.
Think she came from here?
That's what she said.
From inside this house?
I think so. Otherwise, we wouldn't be knocking on your door at Sunday.
Did she say her name?
I don't know. Did she say her name?
I don't know offhand, but we need to check.
We just need to check and make sure everybody's okay.
Once we get in, make sure everything's okay, we'll get out of your hair.
We have a lot where we're packing.
Okay,
We're getting
that's
ready
fine,
to
that's
move.
No worries.
So it's a mess in here, so.
Alright, that's
We don't mind messes. We've been
But
in
I
worse.
mean,
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing okay.
Okay.
No weapons in the house or anything like that?
I do have a gun.
The couple held their children, aged between 2 and 29, captive in their family home, depriving them of food, education, medical care, and proper hygiene. Parents appeared to be surprised by the police officer's visit. What was discovered was a concealed chamber of horrors. Deputies detained the parents.
One state your emergency.
No, yes, I'm still here.
What's your name?
Louise Turpin. Okay, I live in a family of 15 people, and my parents are abusing. They abuse us, and my two little sisters right now are chained up. There's 13 kids, and then a mother and father.
And how many of your siblings are tied up?
Two of my sisters, one of my brothers.
How are they tied up, with rope or with what?
With chains. They're chained up to their bed. I've never been out. I don't go out much, so I don't know anything about the streets or anything.
Do you think anybody in the house will need to go to the hospital?
I'm not sure. Sometimes we live in stilts, and sometimes I wake up and I can't breathe because how dirty the house is.
When was the last time you had a bath?
I don't know, almost a year ago. But sometimes I feel so dirty. I wash my face and I wash my hair.
Does anybody at the house take any kind of medication?
Oh, I don't know what medication is.
Are you
but
homeschooled?
No, we don't do school. Our mother tells people we'll homeschool. Our mother tells people we're private school. And she has a fake private school set up. But we don't really do school. I haven't finished first grade, and I'm 17. I don't know much about my mother. She doesn't like us. She doesn't spend time with us ever. Hi.
Is that the deputy?
Yes.
Go talk to him, okay?
The couple held their children, aged between 2 and 29, captive in their family home, depriving them of food, education, medical care, and proper hygiene. Once law enforcement arrived, Jordan Turpin showed them pictures of her siblings in chains on a phone she had kept secret from her parents. Officers perform a welfare check at the Turpin house. 4 years later, in an interview with ABC, the Turpin daughters described years of their parents, David and Louise Turpin, abusing them and their siblings. Some were shackled to beds for months and deprived of food, hygiene, education, and health care. Jordan said she would eat ice cubes and some days ketchup. Jennifer Turpin recalled showing up in grade school with unwashed hair and clothes. According to the sisters, their parents would abuse them for even the most minor things. If a child colored outside of the lines, Jennifer said their mother might pull their hair or throw them across the room. One time, one of her siblings was caught in their mother's bedroom, and the parent pushed the child down the stairs. Their father used belts and sticks to whip the children until they bled. Jennifer recalled one moment when she said her father picked her up, feet off the floor, and slammed her into a wall. Every day, she said, she woke up in terror. Jennifer Turpin said, "I was afraid to do one little thing wrong. If I did one little thing wrong, I was going to be beaten until I bled." Local district attorney Mike Hestrin remarked that the parents would beat their children and feed them very little to nothing. They would also torment them with treats, saying they would buy food, including pies, apple pies, pumpkin pies, leave it on the counter, let the children look at it, but not eat. He told news sources that the Turpin parents' crimes placed it among the worst, most aggravated child abuse cases he had ever seen. In court, a police officer testified that Jordan claimed her siblings would be chained up for 1 or 2 months and only freed to brush their teeth or use the bathroom. She said she hadn't seen a doctor or been to a dentist in 5 years. The couple pleaded guilty to 1 count of torture and 1 count of dependent abuse, as well as multiple counts of false imprisonment, child endangerment, and adult abuse. They were sentenced to life in prison with the possibility of parole. their eldest son, spoke at their sentencing. Jordan Turpin regularly posts dance videos on TikTok. She has since used the platform to advocate for her siblings, some of whom are still struggling, and express gratitude for those who have contributed to the JC Foundation.